So hi everyone, I am Kayyum and in this video we will going to see that some of the character classes in Linux, those are available for regular expression or anything. We want to search inside a pattern, okay. So for example in this command we can see that there are alphabets, okay, numericals, numerals, special character like percentage, backslash, and alphanumerical objects like 21c. This is how. So for finding them we basically use some of the classes like I will show you that grape. So in this I will show you that let's search for the alphabetical numbers, okay. Again let me clear it, okay. Let me clear it, okay. Grape, okay. Now again here uh, alphanumerical, okay. Alphabetic, okay. So you can see that we have successfully searched for the alphabets inside this command, okay. So this class will be useful for finding the alphabets inside a df-h, okay. Now let's search for the same numericals, okay, numerals. For this we will use digit class, okay, in the grep command. So now see, okay, so here you can see that by using this digit class we can search for the numerical numerals in the command, okay. Now let's search for the alphanumerical, okay. Grape, then class alnum, okay. Okay, alnum. So you can see that we have successfully searched for the alphabets and numbers inside this command, okay. So in this way we can use this alphanumerical command, and there is a special class which is really useful for finding the paths, okay. So it will like let me show you grep e. Now in the starting, okay, for example in the starting we want to search for the mount points, okay. So for that we will gonna use this class called let me show you that which is starting with the slash again, okay. Graph, let again search grape graph command. So here you can see that using this graph class we can extract the mount points at the starting, okay, because I have mentioned character here. Character basically scans at the starting of the line, okay. So it means it will scan from this, okay. Now again if you want to get the same result in the end of the line, okay, so we will gonna use this graph again, uh d of I1h again. Let me show you that graph. If you want to search the mount points at the end of the line, then we will gonna use this. Yeah, again let me show you that grep e, uh, so here in this way we can search for the mount points, okay. Here we are getting the mount points using this graph class and slash w. Okay, skip. So here actually this command will does like it will start from star, then star means for all. Okay, it will scan all. Then the what we want to search is start with the backslash. Okay, after this in this after this backslash we want the all the graph type of classes. Okay, so like alphabets, punctuations, etc. Then star it will include all the further characters. Okay, again this way. So in this way this command will work. Okay, and it will really give us it will give us now the next class is of punctuations. Okay, punctuations. Now again we want to search for the punctuations. Okay, so punctuation include all type of special characters like backslash. Okay, the dash, then percentage, the dot. So these all uh, we can find or search using this punctuation class. This class will be helpful for this. Okay. Now again in this way we can search for this. Okay, now so this is how we can use it. Okay, so guys this will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.